KZN is Limpopo. Go there, KZN, and work. I know you are Zulus. Go KZN and work. As for Changan.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, please allow me to speak in Zulu. As I always say, ezinye izinto kumele sikhulume sisodwa as a family. Zingaphumeli ngaphandle. It's not okay for us ukuthi zonke izinto esikhulumayo zizwiwe wonke umuntu and ezizwiwe izitha. And I know ukuthi most of South Africans understand isiZulu. I'm sorry to those who doesn't understand isiZulu, but I will try to mix here and there, but I will not be able to speak ezinye izinto in English. So nje, please bear with me. Those who does not understand isiZulu at all, I'm very sorry guys. Lana sine video yabantu baseLimpopo, amaTsonga, or I will call it amashangane as they are calling themselves. Abaxosha amaZulu eLimpopo. Bathi amaZulu mawabuyele eKZN because iLimpopo akuyona eyamaZulu. Iyo-ke lento esemangaza ukuthi ungathi this thing is getting out of hand, and we've been trying to explain, like myself in my videos I've been trying to explain ukuthi no guys, if you are calling yourself Shangani eSouth Africa, thina sazi ukuthi ningamaTsonga, but ke okay ngoba asiyazi history kangako yamaTsonga ukuthi axhumana kanjani namashangane aseMozambique. And I tried to explain futhi nakhona ukuthi even if there are Shanganes in South Africa, even if amaTsonga ayiwona amashangane, akuhlangani. In KZN thina singomakhelwane beMozambique amashangane. Kusukela kwi-history emlandweni, we know amashangane aseMozambique. I've been trying to explain this, I've been trying to clarify this ukuthi amashangane thina esiwaziyo eKZN amashangane ayiwela years back, ewela from Mozambique to KZN to look for greener pastures. Some of them ukuzolusa iy'nkomo, to look after livestock for amaZulu. Abanye coming to do all the things, maybe being a laborers, be ama-builder, bakha izindlu, izinto ey'fana nalezo. Way back, those people were called amashangane vele because they are amashangane. Then after that, kwafika aboma Zimbabweans, Swaziland, wonke umuntu ongeyena owase KZN wagcina esebizwa ngokuthi amashangane. Bonke abantu abangebona base KZN bagcina sebebizwa ngokuthi amashangane. Kwahamba kwaze kwafika Zimbabweans, Nigerians, cause bonke labo bantu bafike after. Abantu thina esibaziyo eKZN amashangane ayefika esuka eMozambique. Kuthe sekufika Cameroonians, Ghanaians, namanye ama-African foreign nationals, thina sazi ukuthi amashangane eKZN. Lento yasuka lapho. That is why if you see people marching on the street bethi alihambe ishangane, hayi ukuthi basho amashangane aseLimpopo. If there was this misunderstanding-ke, mhlambe njengoba kusho ukuthi ama-marchers mayihlangana nabantu abakhuluma isishangane amaTsonga aseLimpopo, they think are those people from Mozambique. Angazi ukuthi lento sesizoyikhuluma kuze kube kangaki. And I remember there's a video uTsonga Prince tried to explain this thing ukuthi no thina we are Tsongas, asiwona amashangane. Angazi ukuthi kungani abantu abanjengoPenny bethi bona bamashangane. He tried so hard to explain, but abantu I don't know ukuthi maybe it's because of ipolitiki ebaphushayo ukuthi vele benze lezi zinto. Really I don't understand. Let's watch this video guys.
This is not KZN, it's Limpopo. Go there, KZN, and work. I know you are Zulus. Go KZN and work. As for Changan. Wula.
Who's gonna work
What
here?
Changan here? Go there, KZN. That's it. You come here and take our money. You can't run
So angithi yabona ukuthi lento iyaphuma esandleni. Why? Because sifaka ipolitiki kuyo yonke into. Thina eSouth Africa we are complaining about illegal immigrants abafika la bazothatha imisebenzi from other countries, abangenamaphepha, abangawona ama-skills. That is what we are complaining about in this country. But manje because kunabantu abafana naboMalema aba all the time abafuna ukuthi kuliwe eSouth Africa, abenza sure ukuthi baphusha this narrative yokuthi kune-tribalism eSouth Africa. Abo Ramaphosa nabo minister in the presidency, oKhumbuzo Ntshavheni, abathi bona kune-tribalism eSouth Africa, Bona yibo abaphusha lento ukuthi ama-South Africans elwe odwa. And remember uMalema lento wayisho before yenzeka wathi after sesiqedile ukulwa nama-foreign nationals sizolwa sodwa as ama-tribes ase-South Africa. UmZulu uzothi akafuni umuntu waseLimpopo e-KZN, umuntu wase-North West uzothi akafuni umXhosa. It's happening exactly as uMalema washo. Kungani kwenzeka kanjalo? And babhizi baphusha lento yokuthi amashangane aseLimpopo awafuneki, ayabulawa, ayalwiswa. And thina siyazi leyo nto. Asiyazi leyo nto ukuthi since when la eSouth Africa kunabaTswana base-South Africa, kunabaTswana base-Botswana. ESouth Africa kunabeSuthu base-South Africa, kunabeSuthu base-Lesotho. ESouth Africa kunamaswazi, kube namaswazi ase-Swaziland. Why bonke labo bantu bengabi nenkinga? Why bengacomplain ukuthi bayabulawa, bayashawa, bayadiscriminate eSouth Africa? Why only abantu baseLimpopo ababa nalezo inkinga lezo? Because of 1 or 2 incidents where lapho ama-protesters or ama-South Africans ayenga-understand ukuthi lo muntu ubuya eLimpopo noma ubuya eMozambique. Sekuzothiwa manje kuliwa namashangane aseLimpopo because of that. Why kungaliwa namaswazi? Why kungaliwa nabaTswana? Why kungaliwa nabeSuthu? And uyabona ukuthi lento iyakhiwa ipushwa abantu abathile. There's this group of people abaphusha lento. And ayavuma amaTsonga aseLimpopo ukuyuzwa to destroy their own country. And abantu baseLimpopo ibona enhlezweni ukuthi bakhathazeke kakhulu ngabantu abajumpa iBay Bridge bezohlukumeza eLimpopo ngoba vele they are neighbors. So manje I don't understand ukuthi kungani bevumela ama-politicians angene phakathi kwethu asidivide. Njengamanje uyabona ukuthi lento izogcina ibankulu, iqale kancane, it's becoming a cancer. Sekuzogcina manje kube sengathi vele kuyaxatshana ngoba kuzothi kusuka nase-KZN bebethi abasabafuna abantu baseLimpopo njengoba kwenzeka lezi zinto. Uzothuzwa e-Eastern Cape abasabafuna abantu base-North West because of this. Uyabona leyo nto leyo. So guys, let's try ukuthi sike sikhiphe ipolitiki entweni esizenzayo. Ake sizenze abantu abaphilayo. AboMalema are trying their best now ukuthi nathi basenze lezi ezenzeka ko-Zimbabwe phakathi kwamaShona namaNdebele, ko-Nigeria phakathi kwama-Igbo nama-Yorubas. Yilokho vele ama-politicians akwenzayo all over Africa. Awukaze uze kuthiwa eZimbabwe ugovernment waseZimbabwe utrya uku-unite amaShona namaNdebele. ENigeria ugovernment utrya uku-unite ama-Yorubas, Igbos and Hausas there. Ngoba lapho abantu bayabulalana laphayana. But ugovernment uyajabula. Why? Because if ama-tribes engazwani vele e-countryini, yilapho vele ugovernment azokwenza izinto zakhe ey'bhedayo because you ama-tribes are not united. You are not speaking in one voice. And then ugovernment ngaleso sikhathi i-corruption uzenzela kamnandi ngoba nina nifocuse ukuthi niyalwa, niyaxabana nina nodwa. So nje guys, mina ngithi asibe wise, singavumeli ama-politicians ukuthi asenze lento eyenzeka e-Africa. Singayivumeli leyo nto ngoba lento intsha, it's new ukuthi kube nalento yokuthi hey sekune-tribalism. Why? Because kuvele oMatch and Match, kuvele abophakela umthakathi who are trying by all means ukuthi bahlanganise ama-tribes ase-South Africa. So manje all of a sudden sekune-tribalism e-South Africa. Since when? Guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.